Wrong financial data often leads to office conflicts. Imagine this, si Anna, accountant, nagme-maintain siya ng inventory records using Excel. Si Mark, na custodian naman ng inventory, may sariling version din. Tapos si boss, iba din yung expectation. Ayun, tatlong version ng iisang inventory. At kapag hindi tugma at itagam sa bato hindi yan tutugma, boom! Finger pointing, stress, tsaka tension dun sa workplace. Ayaw naman natin ng ganitong drama sa opisina, pero kapag manual pa din ang sistema, small errors become big conflicts. Keep in mind, these are not just simple mistakes ha. Sasabog yan pag may nangyari ng hindi maganda. Single source of truth. That's what we're trying to achieve when it comes to implementing accounting automation tools like Xero. Real-time data, automatically updated, and everyone sees the same thing. Walang ako yung tama, ikaw yung mali. Ang ending, naiiwasan yung away at nagagamit yung oras to collaborate and grow together. So, kung sawa ka na sa office tension at stress na parang teleserye, maybe it's time to let the system handle the numbers. Automation can turn finger pointing into teamwork. This is the power of accounting automation, and if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.